God. He got my left arm. I need to retreat and reassess the situation. Why are they stopping at my left arm? What are you doing? You could have killed me with that attack just now. Or have you finally shown mercy because of follower Namgung? As if so that you can thoroughly repent for salvation. I'm going to shred you ever so slowly, bit by bit. You are insane. How is that the face of Taoist promising salvation? God, the damn bird. I don't know why the beast Jinxie has turned against me, but knows my chance to get rid of the remaining ghost folk. One energy of heaven and earth, a will expelling torrent. Wait, the ghost folk and my ghostly amplification technique has been dispelled. I need to find a way to escape. There is still a shred of the ghost folk remaining. This is my last chance. Where do you think you are going? Yeah. He got away? Things really went exactly as when we planned. Be careful when it's a spell of the unorthodox faction. Says, would you mind assisting me? What? You are saying that an advanced jinx is about to abuse us, but you don't want me to kill it? Yes, I need to extract information from it. We may be a branch family, but this is still a member of the Tang clan, as it was capable of sneaking in here and setting up a ghost folk. It likely can use some formation sorcery. Formation sorcery? Then that's right. It will use a hidden crystal to escape through the escape gate when in critical danger. With my current skills, I have no way of beating the Jinxie here now that it's set up a formation spell. But if you can make the Jinxie escape outside of its formation spell, I can figure out the perpetrator of the Jinxie that dared to intrude upon our 9 dragon branch family. If it's as you said, then that Jinx is likely an assassin hired by Mother. What will you do if I plan on siding with Mother? If that were to happen, that just means I am a loser that lost in Battle of Fates. That is the natural order of the Tang clan, isn't it? For Hunwi, who was continuously faced hardship, the Tang clan is nothing but a den of trickery and deception. However, I'll make him see that what he knows is not the only identity of the Tang clan. For that, I need to work harder. Isn't that the best Jinxie? So it was still here? To fail my mission and run away, I can always reattach a new arm, but I have lost the parasitic vulture and the 9 dragon branch family will be on high alert. My master will never tolerate such failure. Damn it all, if it wasn't for that damn test speech, you should have gone further away before resting. I can't believe you stopped so close to the manor. What? Someone already tested me here? The illegitimate son. What's he doing here? Did he follow me? But how? Was he instructed by the sorcerer backing him? If they are capable enough to seize control of the parasitic vulture, they were likely able to figure out the location of the escape gate of the Bramble Ghost Fog Formation. Whatever the case is, this is an unexpected opportunity. If I can capture the illegitimate child, I can figure out the identity of Sorker and even retrieve the parasitic vulture, Ghost King. It seems that Sorker has lent him one of their ghosts. The appearance is a bit lazy, but why is this energy familiar? Namgung Sanyang, that I damn auntie. I get that she was desperate, but how could she join forces with the Black Pawn Ghost Valley when she is from the Namgung clan? How did you know that? How do you think? You bastard. Wait, that's the evil ghost battle robe. Oh, you must be something of a veteran if you recognize this. Evil ghost battle robe. Everyone who was at the Black Bone Ghost Valley 10 years ago remember it. It was the mystic armor the junior demon Lord Yon Hunri wore when he intended to level a place. Wait, then is the source of the Ghost Key the Ghost King? How is someone like you in possession of it? The person in your memory was he, someone to answer such questions. I have many things I want you to ask you, as if I will answer them. You said that now, which is why we will talk after you have been thoroughly pumped